Here I am installing a license plate on my Q3. Show you the process. Taking it off, installing a license plate. Real simple, you guys. How to the Audi Q3. Phillips head screwdriver to remove screws, take the temp plate off. Definitely gonna blur out my license plate, guys. Take this off. It's located. You gotta make sure you don't damage the camera here. Got a rear camera. Make sure you get that part off. And we come on in. Now I have a personalized, not personalized, but an Audi plate. Got off Amazon. Leave a link in the description. And we just simply swap out these screws here. Now it came with some screws, and these screws are a little longer, so I'm probably gonna use the screws off this one that are a little longer. Place the screws in here first. And let's make sure they line up. Get this up under there. How's it going, man?
Hey, how are you?
All right.
You want to wear a mask?
You don't have to. I'm not really conscious about that stuff. Plus, I heard that new strand and shoot right through masks.
Oh, yeah. That's true.
So, just got this new license plate. Nice. Fits on there.